In this video, I will show you how to play your own music on Spotify. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Spotify has a hidden local files feature that you can use to play locally store music and songs. Not many people know about this, so here I will show you how to enable this feature and use it. Open Spotify and then go to Settings from the top right side. Scroll down to the bottom where the Local Files option is. Open it and then enable it. It will ask for permission to access the file system, so allow it. Here I am using an iPhone, but the process is the same for Android as well as the desktop app of Spotify. Now let's move some songs in the phone storage. Or if you have some already, then just close the Spotify app and restart. Go to the library and you will now see a dedicated section for local music files. Open this and you will find all your local songs. Play any song from here. You can add these songs to any playlist and push it into the now playing queue. You can mix and match local and online songs to create a new playlist. The best part is that the local songs will play even without the internet connection. So this way you can now use Spotify as a local music player for MP3 songs stored on internal storage or SD card. Feel free to watch other tech videos on our channel and don't hesitate to leave a comment.